Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use the new Messenger Notes feature for 2023. So if you're not aware yet, the Notes feature has been added to Messenger. So Notes is actually from Messenger, but they've transferred it and added it here on Messenger. So how do you actually use it? So for you to start using, the first thing that you want to do is you want to update your Messenger mobile application. Just go to Google Play Store and search for Messenger here. Now in here, if you see any updates, make sure that you install any updates that you see here. And once you've done that, just click on open. Now from here, you'll be able to see the section for your messages. But as you can see, there's a section there that says your note. So that's the notes that we had added into our account. So as you can see, I already added mine. So let's just delete this one just to give you an example. So in here, for you to add a new note into your account here or in Messenger, just click on the plus button that you see at the top left, and from here it's going to say share a thought. So notes is actually kind of similar with stories, but instead of pictures, you're just using your words here. So for example, you just want to say hey and just share that to your friends or even your family members. Just go ahead and just click on share. It's going to share that specific note. So whenever you click on that, you'll be able to see the note that you posted. So if you don't want to delete that, just click on delete a note. Or if you want to leave a new note, you could go ahead, just click on leave a new note and just add your new note. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.